Good day. This is your buddy Jim. I'm sitting down here. I'm doing a little something different today. Welcome to Slop in the Shop. Guys, this is my Wednesday video series. This week our Slop's going to be a little different. Today I'm shooting the opening out in my future race car shop, my shelter that I'm building. Mainly because this week a lot of the Slop's going to be around this thing here. I've been getting a lot of requests, some racing videos. Obviously, there's a lot of COVID out here. We're not getting to race. We did get some practice in a couple of weeks ago, and we got some in-car footage. It's not always the best in the world, but we do have it, and I'm gonna put it in this week's slot. Partly because the batteries died. I've had to do, again, that's going to be a learning process. And we got a little bit of gifts that's come in for the shop. It's a typical mixture. So folks, I want you to enjoy the video today. Remember to sit back, get your crowd up, do the watch party. And, if this isn't your thing this week, this may be a slop you want to pass on, or you may be interested. So, well, my weekly slops is always. Sometimes it's racing, sometimes it's a shop, sometimes it's a vlog. And I'm shooting it outside so you can hear. It's a beautiful May morning here in North Carolina. So, I'm going to get my little bucket. I'm going to go out and get these virtual pigs fed. And I hope you enjoyed today's slop, and we'll come back and tell you bye. Just enjoy the video. Guys, my fixtures sometimes come in handy a lot more. I'm working on this project, and one of the problems I'm having is my alignments or trying to hold a box. I kind of goofed up in my machine steps. I should have went ahead and made these separate, but I didn't. So I'm having to resaw this, and so trying to saw a heavy block like this and line it up conventionally just didn't work, even with using other blocks for spacing. So here's where my fixture is worth its weight in gold. And if you ain't got one of these guys, if you buy it on the shop, you need to make you a pair of them. They're really simple to make. It's basically a little simple machining job, and they're worth every darn bit of time it takes to make them. One thing, I'm actually going up. I'm reaming this for this job, and I just want to show you how nice these wheels work. I've had mine for a long while, and Jim has really helped me. But you see, I've got a pretty thick block here. I'm reaming, and I just want to show you how nice this is. See this, that's how handy that wheel is right there. Hey guys, this is your buddy Jim. This is going in the slop if I don't run out of battery. This is a viewer gift. I think all of you are familiar with my good friend Michael Hale, and he sent me some of these cups based on me not complaining but making a comment how much I like them. So I guess now I've got some more cups to make. So I thought I'd throw that in. Everybody, I'm behind the camera, and everybody has been looking at our car. Unfortunately, Our driver here is Juston Truitt. Justin, say hey to everybody.
How's it going, everybody?
Justin hasn't been on YouTube. He's still got to get used to the camera a little bit. He said, oh, I didn't know I was going to get into being on YouTube and Facebook and all this. And yeah, but we're here today, and the only reason we're doing that is I just want you to see the face of the gentleman who's driving the car. Tell people right quick about your background driving.
Well, I started when I was 12 years old, riding around little four-banger Mustangs, doing stock for Young Guns, East Lincoln, Carolina, Cherokee, and good old Thunder Valley up there in Cleveland County. Did that for about 5 or 6 years, off and on. Never ran for points or anything. Also drove a couple Renegades. Then probably about 18 years old, 17 years old, I did a little time Uncle Sam for about 6 years. Now we're just getting back into it, trying to enjoy ourselves and making this a family event, being competitive at the same time. This year we're going to be running this Thunder Bomber here.
I'll turn the camera around. There's the number 7 sponsor. By the way, Justin's just going to speak a minute, and what he's going to tell you is he didn't realize he's going to get this ride, did you, buddy?
I don't know, I looked up on this ride here. This is a very stout Thunder Bomber. Probably one of the best you can practically walk up on. Drives good, it's just quick. Listens to what you put in for input. Hopefully rattle off a couple wins this year.
Yeah,
nice for us.
And the one thing about it is, he was suggested to me by the sponsor and his dad. We went to look at the car, and we didn't meet till after he started driving the car. I mean, personally, we've met, but we didn't meet like have this arrangement. So we've both been real tickled with how this has worked out. He's just hanging around the house today, waiting for his wife to come pick him up. She was supposed to meet us to go to the race, and we decided we'd just hang out a little bit here at the house. And we thought we'd put a little video up, especially this going in my Wednesday video, which I'm working on, and for next week, shoot this. And it's going to be a lot more racing than it is machining, thank goodness. Unfortunately, if you don't like it, I'm going to tell you in my opening closes. Just appreciate you coming by there. I'm going to shake your hand.
Yep.
Appreciate you coming by. Appreciate you coming on video. We're going to see if we can promote this thing up for everybody. Have a great day, folks. Okay, what people don't always understand is racing is a lot like machining. It's the little things that really makes a dang difference. So, with these cars, these are basically a stock chassis. I mean, if anybody knows what a Monte Carlo looks like, that's what you got. The only difference is it's got a Ford rear end, so it's easier to change the gears. So basically what I've done back here is all the rubber, I sprayed it with WD-40. That's just to keep it pliable. Now we don't walk you around to the front. We've changed the oil. I didn't think you need to see that. And I've basically done the same thing, greased everything, got down inside the suspension here, all the rubber, sprayed it WD-40. Right now I'm waiting for the air filter to dry. It'll probably be a half a day before I put everything back together. So, but the car's ready. But it's little things. That's what makes the difference. Like I said, I've done this a little different. I hope you enjoyed today's Slop in the Shop. This is copyright production. James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Cups. Again, this is a little different than some of the slops. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I hope you enjoyed getting to meet our race car driver Justin and the little comments he's made in this video too. So with all that being said, hey, I hope hope you come back next week for some more slop. Hopefully we'll have some other stuff to show you. There's always some things going on. And a note, there is a future video coming up. I'm about a week behind on getting videos out. I got a project that's coming up, and hopefully this Friday I'll get it up for you. I've already got everything edited up, and hopefully I can start making some progress on it. So with all that being said and done, have a great day.